We got to solve for x. So the given angle that we have here is 38 degrees. So I'm going to put a star right there. I start by labeling my triangle. I know that I have one side and one angle. So this is not a Pythagorean theorem problem. This is a trig problem. So once I label that angle, I can now go in and take care of my sides. The arrow through the right angle box points towards the hypotenuse. Let's use some Pac-Man method here on this one. So if I use my Pac-Man method, I trace out the given angle. That becomes Pac-Man's mouth. I connect the edges of his mouth using my circle here, my major arc, and I can see that Pac-Man is eating the opposite side. So that means 20 is opposite, and that means x is adjacent. Once my sides are labeled, it's SOHCAHTOA time. So I'm going to come over here, SOHCAHTOA. I have the angle. The angle always goes with the name of the ratio because the ratio is based off the angle. So 38 goes with SC and T. I promise that's a 3. Opposite we discovered was 20, so that goes with O and with O. Adjacent is what we're looking for, so that's x, and the hypotenuse is the one that's blank, so we don't need it. Based on all this information, I can see that this is a tangent problem. So T38 stands for tangent 38 equals, now I pull this over here, my ratio is 20 over x. To solve, I throw this over 1. I'm now ready to cross multiply, but my memory device kicks in here because if x is below the line, which it is, you can switch it with cosine, tangent, or sine. So that means these two are going to replace each other. So we end up with x over 1 equals 20 divided by the tangent of 38. Well, x over 1 is just x, so it's calculator time. If I'm on my actual calculator, I take 20 divided by tangent 38, and that spits out 25.6 for me. If you're on your phone, you're going to take 20 divided by 38, then the tangent button, then equals, and hopefully it spits out 25.6 for you as well.